I know. I have so many skincare items from all of these boxes. Why did I buy this? Hi everyone, Go Warrior, aka Julie here, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Go stands for When You Get Old. I am 53 years old and love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you are curious about 8 Saints products, this is a skincare line, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. All right, so I subscribed to New Beauty's test tube, and in the last box we got a product from a company called 8 Saints. In that box, they provided a little pamphlet advert that claimed you can get an entire set of their product line for $10. So guess what I did? Got online and ordered that, and it arrived, and so we're going to do an unboxing and a little try on the back of my hand and see what these products are all about. I did try the product that they sent. It is lovely, and I'm hoping it will be in this box as well. All right, let's dig into the box and see what $10 got me. Oh, it comes beautifully wrapped in tissue paper with a little sticker. Lots of little squiggly bits. All right, so here are the 10 sample items. It does come with a nice card that gives information on each of the products. And I'm going to confess to something. When I signed up for the $10 sample, all of these pop-ups come up saying, oh, this product, which is normally $120, is on sale for $62. This product that's normally $80 is on sale at 50% off at $40. I got suckered in. I'm a shopaholic. I so thoroughly enjoyed this sample of the Cloud Whip that I bought the full-size item. It was like $40, regularly 80 something. I know, I have so many skincare items from all of these boxes. Why did I buy this? It's good. I enjoy this scent. And it was like over 50% off. That's all I can say. I'm bad. I know. All right, let's take a look at what these sample items are. And hopefully I hate them all so I don't end up buying them. All right. So this first item is called Down to Earth, and it's a swirled mud gel cleanser. Interesting. It has vitamin C, kaolin clay, and DMAE. I'm not sure what that is, so let's see what the card has to say. And this is a 10 milliliter sample size. It says, dissolves makeup, oil, and everyday impurities gently without stripping the skin, causing irritation or drying. Best for normal to oily in combination skin. All right, so it's a cleanser. Next little sample. What is this? Gel Radiance Serum. All right, so this product is called Pep Rally, and it's a hyaluronic acid serum. It says the formula acts quickly to brighten skin tone, minimize pores, and protect against free radicals. It's botanical based. Hyaluronic acid gives you the ultimate boost in moisturizing power and tones the skin, reversing traces of dullness and stress. This will be fantastic in my life because all of the things it says it helps, I sadly have. All right, let's see what the next little jar tube thingamabob has. All right, so this here is the High Society Conditioning Oil. And this is a face oil. Okay, so it's a luxurious custom skin oil blend, which melts into the skin. It's sourced from the best natural plant-based oils, combining omega-rich manula hydrating jojoba and lavish neroli with other antioxidants-rich facial oils. It absorbs quickly and offers intense hydration while smoothing lines. Hello, my new little friend. I will do a follow-up video after I've tried all these products. All right, next item. This here is called Seeking C, and it is a vitamin C serum. It says it reduces skin inflammation and irregular pigmentation with the most concentrated and stable form of vitamin C, and it promotes healthy collagen production and naturally prevents acne breakouts. Combat the environmental pollution that ages your skin. Okay, I don't suffer from acne, but I bet a lot of you who watched that just were like, what? It prevents acne breakouts? That's fantastic if that product works. All right, on to the little jars now. Those are the last of the little bottles. All right, what do we got here? This is called Soulmate, which is a multidimensional skin brightening moisturizer treatment that combines hyaluronic and glycolic acids for hydration and rapid cell turnover. It replenishes dry, tired skin by deeply hydrating cells. Okay. Oh man. These are all sealed. Just based off of the description, that sounds so good. All right. I will have to do a follow-up video to explain if I enjoyed all these products. I have makeup on, otherwise if I took it off, I'd want to put it on my face. Okay, I'm excited about the product. So, there are products, I see why they have 12 now, because 6 are for day and 6 are for night. And I love how they have a card letting you know the order in which to use the products. That's lovely, because I know, or at least for me, as you start getting into skincare, there's so many products with the serums and the scrubs and the lotions and the creams and the gels. Like, where do you start and what order do you go in? So I found that very helpful. All right, let's see what the next item is. The next one is called Daydreamer. And this is a daily hydration product that blends an array of organic oils and botanicals with plenty of hyaluronic acid, and it's over 1,000 times moisture binding ability. Okay, decided to give that one a try. What else they got? This brand is pretty cool. All right, Cloud Whip C Cream. So you do get a sample of the one that I got that started this whole rabbit hole of product collection, and I will read it again in case anyone skipped over. This is the Cloud Whip, where its star ingredient is vitamin C. It quickly penetrates skin and activates upon contact. It's packed with maximum antioxidant protection. It blocks free radicals, fades sunspots, and prevents discoloration while locking in moisture. Now do you see why I bought the full size? Smells good, moisturizes, gets rid of dark spots. This is just love for dry, mature skin in a tube. All right, on to the next item. Some of my favorite 2 words in the world. This is an eye cream called All In, and it's made with soothing cucumber and green tea. Its silky smooth, weightless formula is gentle for the delicate eye area, and it brightens and has vitamin C, which will help reduce puffiness and dark circles. I have a feeling this will be another favorite product of mine as well. All right, we got 4 more products. This for $10, that is fantastic. All right, this is called Night Shift. It's a hydration gel product, which is an instant explosion of hydration. Keeps your moisture levels balanced while vitamin C and E work to repair skin cells as you sleep. This face gel is enriched with peptides to stimulate collagen production and jojoba oil to eradicate fine lines and dryness. Okay, I think I found my nighttime Holy Grail product. I'll have to give it a try, but just reading it sounds fantastic. All right, so the next item is called Bright Side, and this product is a cleanser, and it says this creamy cleanser base quickly removes all traces of makeup and oil buildup without drying or irritating the skin. It's infused with vitamin E, which revives tired skin, replenishes moisture, and leaves skin soft and supple. Best for dry and sensitive skin. All right, to give that one a try. All right, this product here is called No Plans, which is a mask. It says the natural kaolin clay face mask works double time to maintain hydration while detoxifying the skin. I'm not huge at all mask wearer person. I don't like stuff sitting on my face. I don't know if I will try that. If I don't, I'll set it aside for a future giveaway. All right, on to the last item. I love the names of these products. So here we have Zen Out of 10, which is a scrub. It says accelerates cell turnover plus delivers antioxidants and bioflavonoids to the new healthy skin layer. You will see softer skin and more visible glow after one use. All right, I love exfoliating. Is this a physical or chemical? It just says bamboo detox scrub and antioxidant vitamin C. That's a trend I'm noticing. I believe almost all of their products have vitamin C, which is fantastic. Now, if you use products with vitamin C, make sure you're wearing a sunscreen, because as fantastical as vitamin C is to help our skin, if you don't wear sunscreen, it will actually go backwards and make more damage because you'll end up with like sunspots. All right, leave your comments. I'm very curious if anyone watching has used this brand or used products from this brand before. If so, what are your thoughts? If you haven't used it before, are you now more intrigued or interested seeing what I saw? All right, I'm very curious. So thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Click that thumbs up button. I will do a follow-up after I've used all of the products that were sent. And if you are very intrigued, don't forget to go to their website and check it out. I mean, you get a lot of products for $10. Look at what you get. All of that for $10. There is information there. I will link in down below a link. You don't need to have any kind of code. I found it on their website. If you just go to their website and click somewhere. I am not getting paid to do this whatsoever. I just love trying new products and ran across this from a beauty box. For $10, I get 12 samples. I thought that was a really great deal. All right. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. And I will see you next time.